Electric mobile racking. Low utilization of warehouse space, high pickup, safety risk. Electric mobile racking. It goes up to 12 meters, easy to operate, flexible and easy to assemble. Smooth, durable rail sliding. Increase space utilization by at least 20% with electric mobile shelving solutions. 3 core advantages. Strong carrying capacity, good stability, high storage efficiency, and space saving. Length and height can be customized, up to 32 tons in one site. Industrial grade motors for 10 years of durability. More than 20 years of technology precipitation. Service 1,000 plus enterprises. Cold storage, cold chain warehousing, explosion-proof warehouses, etc. are suitable for minimum temperature up to 25 grados. Barcode set. Convenience, efficiency, and smarter storage. Email @sunny1@ebilmetal.com. Web @www.ebiltech.com.